the most merciful and almighty, who created me, you, and our whole universe. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Farhad. I am the student of class 6 with great personality, Sir Muhammad Zahid. Today my speech is about education. Today I want to talk about something that has the ability to change, live, to break cycle of poverty and empower individual to reach their full potential. That something is education. Education is the key that unlocks the door to a brighter, future. Is the foundation upon which we build our careers, our relationships, and our communities. So let's invest in education. Let's support our teacher, our school, and our student. Let's make sure that everyone has access to quality education regardless of their background.